Dati ba sa Papa Jesus nalubong dia si Lulo tapos mag-video daw tapos sabi ko, hello guys, kami adi sa bukid tapos home guys for you and that bukid.
Ito man ka sa camera pag nag-vlog.
Hello guys, kami pag bukid na tapos kami broke heart.
Broke heart? Why?
Yes. Okay, no, it's coming. But guys, you are like my Indian friends. Oh, I like games.
Ikaw din na naman, sabihin mo. Hi guys.
Hi, Shifra. Hello guys. Yay. It's like Indian every. Like banana. And cow, chicken, like.
Gato na din. Sige na din, istorya ka din.
Hey, look me.
Then.
Wow, you like that.
3, 4.
I like my chocolate.
Magpakilala ka daw, te. Hi guys, my name is...
Hi, guys. My name is Separate Tedesco. My Papa. Yes, Papa on the farm. And